Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing now? So guys, good morning. It's not really morning. What is the time? Hold on, let me check. It's 12:24. So welcome to my channel. My name is Lobisa. The content here is mom life. I'm a South African living here in the United States. And we have fashion, we have cooking, we have everything in between, hon. If you feel like this is sweet to your tea, baby, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join this beautiful family. So you guys, I'm about to get up. I'm going to wash my car because tomorrow I'm going back to work. Am I ready? Nah, but I have to do it. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going back to work, so I want to wash my car today, get it ready. And the holidays to me, they're complete now, they're done. So it's back to work, back to grinding, back to fighting your way up. And yeah, hopefully 2022 is different. To tell the truth, I haven't had anything from the Lord. Usually by now I know the word for next year. My lips are cracking, you guys. I've been suffering. But so far I haven't heard anything. I don't know what God has in store for me, but I know He can do anything and everything, and He is all powerful, all knowing. And I know that next year is gonna be the best. So you guys, without me ranting, let me go and let's go and watch this guy. And probably I don't know what I'm gonna do after that, but we will see. have company. Hey, Mr. Joe. You haven't said hi to my people.
Hi.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So guys, right now I'm going to Goodwill. Goodwill is a thrift store, so we are going to pass there to check some stuff, and we will be. So guys, we can definitely get new stuff here. The shoe is nice though. Let's get him. Oh, show them. You can definitely get a nice bag here if you look well. For Michael Goss, you got everyone fun. Steve me when came back. What a good way. So new. Look at this one, baby. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, that's nice. So guys, I'm finally home. I'm about to go out again with the kids. They want to go play. So I want to close this vlog before going out. I'm taking my gullies. They're really good, you guys. Since I take this, I sleep like a chicken. I don't wake up until somebody say, hey, wake up, or my alarm says, hey, wake up. But that's really helping. Anyway, see you on my next video. Don't forget to be kind, be nice, give when you can, okay? We'll see you next time.